Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Plug the iPad into power and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, back up to iCloud or to your Mac/PC via Finder or iTunes so you can restore if needed. Make sure you free at least 4 to 8 GB of storage. Low space causes many update failures. Now open Settings General Software Update and tap Download and Install. This initiates the update process while preserving your data. If the download freezes or the progress bar gets stuck, pause and retry the download. Sometimes restarting Wi-Fi or the iPad resolves it. If that fails, connect to a computer and use recovery mode in Finder or iTunes. Choose Update first to reinstall iPad OS without erasing data. Once the computer shows the option, follow prompts. If recovery mode cannot finish, enter DFU mode to restore firmware. Do this only after you have Once the update completes, check Settings General About to confirm the new iPad OS version and sign back into iCloud if prompted. Make sure all apps update from the App Store and reconfigure any settings if needed. If an app or feature still fails, try resetting network settings or uninstalling and reinstalling that app. If things still go wrong, perform a DFU restore from a computer using your backup, or contact Apple support. DFU is the deepest restore and usually fixes persistent firmware issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.